there guys, so if you have the issue with your Frigidaire refrigerator and you're gonna have a code and SYF, so this is a problem with the evaporator fan motor. It looks like this, and what you need to do is first you just want to check for the constructions, because it can cause like problem with the cooling, right? And then it's like triggering it. So unplug the refrigerator, then usually look it in the freezer compartment behind the back panel. There's where you're gonna find the evaporator fan, and you can also like check some YouTube videos. So where it's actually located, you're gonna find it right here. Then you want to remove any shelves, drawers blocking the access, unscrew the back panel, and then you want to test the evaporator in. So take it out, plug it back in, and then you want to also observe the fan. So these are the things that you can try to do. You can also like inspect the wiring, so if there is some wiring issues that you would see that the cable is loose or something, and if it's necessary you want to also like completely replace it. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit on how you can possibly fix the issue, and have a great day and goodbye.